Hello everyone and welcome to project Egg Catcher game using Python Tkinter. In this project, we are going to develop our own interactive catcher game using Python. The main tools we will use are Tkinter and Canvas, which will help us handle both the functionality and the design of the game. We will divide this project into two main parts. First, we will focus on building all the required functions such as egg falling, basket movement, scoring system, and life management. Then, we will move to the designing part where we will combine everything together and customize the appearance of the game. In this game, eggs will fall from the top of the screen and the player needs to move a basket left and right to catch them. The basket can only move horizontally, while the eggs fall vertically from random positions, adding some unpredictability and excitement. Every time you catch an egg, your score will increase. But if an egg touches the ground, you will lose one life. By default, the player will have 3 lives, and once all lives are lost, the game will be over. To make the game more challenging, the speed of the eggs will increase every time you catch one. This means each new egg will fall faster than the previous one, increasing the difficulty level gradually. We will also use random functions to control the falling positions of the eggs, adding a small element of luck along with skill. For development, we will use Tkinter, which allows us to create a graphical user interface, and Canvas, which helps us draw shapes like eggs and baskets, handle movement, and update score and lives in real time. Finally, we will design the visual elements such as background color, basket style, egg appearance, and text display for score and lives. By the end of this project, you will have a fully working and visually appealing egg catcher game. So let's get started and build this exciting project together. Thank you for watching.